Much later.
Hi Mia. So today we have a special guest. So I don't think I need an intro for him. He's so popular and all rounder.
Thank you.
This is Peter. You can also go and watch his channel, Peter's multi channel.
Yes.
So go and watch there. You can learn many different kind of cuisines. He know how to cook Korean, Chinese, Japanese. So follow him. And for today's chef, here we have Chef Seema. So she prepared this samosa, and I don't know what this is called. What we call this? Kata namki. And so we'll start eating now. Can you start?
Kaurase. I didn't eat anything since morning just because I got an invitation from him and then I'm gonna have lots today.
So you know that I cook tasty, so you keep your stomach empty. It's so crunchy. Guys, ignore the dog barkings. They are always hungry and barking all the time. Whenever I do mukbang.
You must go and feed them the leftover.
How is it? How raw? Tomato sauce how Is it normal ketchup or it's yours preparation?
It's already made.
So the guys, I cannot write all the description in the screen. So, I mean, description. I cannot write all the ingredients on the screen. So go and check the description. So if you are watching my video, always I will recommend you to check the description. You can also learn at home how to cook this. I'll write everything in detail.
Let's try this one.
Today I hire our chef all the way from Japan.
Japan.
Hard one.
Why you're slow today? I thought it's a fifth one. This is my third one. I didn't think it will be enough for us because all three of us are foodie kind of.
Yeah.
Guys, Raju is still single, so if you're interested and I can help you out, okay? You can ping me.
Yeah, there's a saying, if you want to marry a guy, marry a guy who can cook well and good food. So think about it. The vacancy is limited, okay? I will start the audition next month. You want more subji?
Yeah.
Subji is coming from Myanmar.
Aroma of the subji is so good. I feel like it's the
Snail curry.
snail curry. And what masala do you use? Any spices?
No, simple one.
Okay, I must try that in
Yeah,
for my
you can
next
try.
videos.
I don't put any masala. I just put garlic, onion, ginger, and turmeric. So that's it, the simple one. No garam masala, nothing.
Okay.
My house is feels like hometown, no? Even roaster is there. It's very rare in Delhi. Rooster crowing. It's very rare in Delhi. Rooster crowing. We'll have 3. This is for you guys, so I'm eating on behalf of you. How about Peter? You enjoyed the
Yum,
samosa?
After a long time, I ate to my heart's content.
That means about
My stomach is already full, but I have to finish. Get one more. It's so hard, you know.
yeah, Delhi. Sometimes I feel like we are just near the hell door. So, em hào đấy. Sao xem hào đấy? Peter show không mang thóc nó ra đi đấy.
A few inches later.
Hi Mia. So, khoai samosa cha rồi đấy. Cook than crazy. So we ate too much samosa now, and Peter wanted to digest some, so he wanted to talk something.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much for having me, and then I really enjoyed the food as well. And it's been like 4 years that we have been friends, but we could not meet often because of the lockdown, and we're all busy with our own work. But today I got the time to visit him, and then yeah, it was such a nice time having food together with you. And looking for more subscribers, and then to all the viewers, it's a request, please please subscribe him, like, comment and share as much as you can. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you so much.
thank you so much, Peter. That's very nice of you. And also, guys, as I mentioned earlier while eating, that go and check out his videos. You will not regret it. It's Peter multi-channel. He's a multi-talented, and it's very suits to his channel's name as well. So go to his channel. Don't hesitate to click that like, subscribe and the bell icon. So thank you so much for watching us, and see you in next video.
Take
Ta-da!
care, bye.
Bye bye.